Welcome, kindred spirit, to this moment of quiet solace. Take a gentle breath with me, allowing the stillness to embrace you. Perhaps, right now, a familiar ache resides within your heart, a profound sense of loneliness. It might be the solitude of being truly alone, or perhaps an even more bewildering feeling of isolation, even when surrounded by the vibrant energy of others. If these feelings resonate, please know this: you are not navigating this path in isolation. This moment, this space, is a gentle invitation to acknowledge those feelings with kindness, to find comfort in understanding, and to rediscover the beautiful, unbreakable threads of connection that are always present, waiting to be seen. You are worthy of deep connection, and your heart holds an infinite capacity for love and belonging. Let's begin by acknowledging the profound feeling of being truly alone. There are moments when our paths diverge, when circumstances lead us to a solitary space. In these times, it's natural for loneliness to emerge, a quiet ache, a yearning for connection. But even in solitude, there is an opportunity for profound self-discovery and inner peace. This time, though perhaps challenging, can be a sacred period for nurturing your own spirit. It's a chance to listen to the whispers of your heart, to reconnect with your deepest desires, and to build an unshakable foundation of self-love. You are never truly alone when you are connected to your authentic self. The universe, in its boundless wisdom, holds you gently in its embrace. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Now, let's gently touch upon a different kind of loneliness. The silent, often perplexing feeling of isolation even when surrounded by people. Perhaps at a gathering, in a busy street, or even within your own family, an invisible wall seems to rise. You see connection all around, yet feel detached, unheard, or unseen. This is a profound experience, and it's vital to recognize that it doesn't diminish your worth or your capacity for connection. It often speaks to a longing for deeper understanding, for genuine resonance. Acknowledge this feeling without judgment. It is simply a signal, a quiet plea from your soul for authentic engagement. You are not flawed for feeling this way. You are simply human, seeking the beautiful depth of true connection. So, how do we begin to build bridges when loneliness feels like an impenetrable wall? It starts with the most gentle of steps, offered with compassion and patience. Begin by reaching out in small, authentic ways. A simple message to an old friend, a warm smile to a stranger, joining a community group centered around a shared interest. Remember, connection flourishes in genuine interaction, not in grand gestures. Be open to sharing a small piece of your true self, for vulnerability is the most powerful magnet for meaningful bonds. Trust that there are countless hearts eager to connect, to share, and to understand. We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. When the mind is pure, joy follows like a shadow that never leaves. Every small effort creates a ripple, inviting connection back into your world. While reaching outward is important, Equally vital is cultivating an inner sanctuary, a place of peace within yourself where you always feel safe and connected. Spend time nurturing your own well-being. Engage in activities that genuinely soothe your soul, reading a comforting book, listening to inspiring music, creating something beautiful with your hands. Practice mindfulness, allowing your breath to anchor you to the present moment where peace always resides. When you cultivate this inner harmony, you become a beacon of calm, radiating an energy that naturally attracts positive connections. You are a complete universe within yourself, and nurturing this inner world ensures you are never truly alone. True connection blossoms from empathy, the capacity to understand and share the feelings of another. When you reach out, practice the art of deep listening, truly hearing what others express without judgment. And equally, allow yourself to be genuinely seen and heard. It can be challenging to express vulnerability, but remember that sharing your authentic self, your hopes, and even your struggles invites others to meet you at a deeper level. Many people experience similar feelings, and your openness can become a bridge for them too. Trust in the power of shared humanity, and know that your story has the power to connect. Even when loneliness feels overwhelming, take a gentle moment to reflect on the connections you do have. Perhaps it's a distant relative, a kind acquaintance, a pet, or even the feeling of connection to nature itself. Focus on these existing threads of warmth and support, no matter how small they may seem. Gratitude is a powerful magnet, drawing more positive experiences and deeper connections into your life. When you appreciate the connections already present, you open your heart to receive even more. Your capacity for love is infinite, and by radiating this love, you create a ripple effect, inviting genuine relationships to flourish around you. As we gently conclude this shared journey, carry with you the profound understanding that you are never truly disconnected. Even in moments of deepest solitude, you are part of the vast, intricate tapestry of life. The yearning for connection is a beautiful sign of your humanity, and the capacity for love resides eternally within you. Remember, you have the power to cultivate peace within and to gently build bridges of connection without. Trust in your inherent worth, embrace your authentic self, and know that your heart is a beacon, always capable of attracting love and belonging. You are cherished, you are seen, and you are forever connected. Thank you for sharing this space of profound transformation. May your path ahead be illuminated by the warmth of connection and the unwavering light of your own beautiful spirit.